kids! Let's learn our ABCs with silly fruit and veggie faces.
A is for apple, red and bright, with big googly eyes, what a funny sight. B is for banana, long and wide, with a wiggly smile and arms so tied. C is for carrot, standing tall, with a crazy mustache, he wobbles and falls. D is for dragonfruit, pink and sweet, with spiky hair and dancing feet. Sing along, come and see, silly fruit and veggies teaching ABCs. Clap your hands, jump with glee, learning letters is fun, you'll see. E is for eggplant, purple and cool, wearing some shades, he's breaking the rules. F is for fig, so tiny and round, rolling and bouncing all over the ground. G is for grape with a giggling face, wiggling, jiggling all over the place. H is for honeydew, round and green, with a sleepy smile, what a dream! Sing along, come and see, silly fruit and veggies teaching ABCs. Point and say the letter loud, make those veggies oh so proud. I is for iceberg, lettuce, crisp and light, bouncing around like a bird in flight. J is for jalapeno, spicy and bold, wearing a hat and striking a pose. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and sweet, doing a twirl on its tiny feet. L is for lemon, yellow and bright, puckering up, what a silly sight. Hey, hey, what comes next? Look at the screen and take a guess. M is for mango, N is for nectarine. Great job, you're learning big. O is for orange, rolling fast, laughing so hard he just might blast. P is for peach, so soft and round, bouncing up high then back to the ground. Q is for quince, yellow and rare, with a fancy hat and curly hair. R is for radish, spicy and bright, dancing around with all his might. Sing along, come and see, silly fruit and veggies teaching ABCs. Wave your hands, dance so free, let's keep learning A to Z. S is for strawberry, tiny and red,